So here we are at Seminole Powersports North. I'm Matt. Welcome to M Squared, brought to you by theallriders.com. We are here getting the Rotobox carbon fiber rims put on my 2021 Kawasaki Ninja H2.
You're doing your tires or your wheels today? Yeah, I'm getting this detailed up for Angel right now. Angel's like, yeah.
There goes Dan Brown, Santa extraordinaire with All Rider Angel Gonzalez's new purchase, GSXR 600 2020. Here we got the bike up on the ABBA stand. We had a little bit of trouble finding pieces that were going to fit to lift it up because I already have it set up for a burst of wood. Now we're just waiting on Jeff to get back and get on it.
Agreed.
Magic happens at Seminole Powersports North.
Taking the bolts off the tire, and here it comes. All the washers.
All the air zone now, you're not going to see anything, but
we did just see it a second
that's
ago.
where it was.
Nice. I knew Jeff was good at his job. the important part. Alright, now we're gonna watch to make sure Jeff doesn't scratch anything. I have to mention I came to Seminole North because you guys don't scratch my bike.
We take good care of it here.
I'm a little picky.
I recommend you. Let me say that, by the way. Not just the fact you guys are in my backyard, but I recommend you. Yeah, you're here all the
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.
What tire pressure are you running in them?
Rear 42.
Not that high?
Yeah. 42 rear, 36 front. That's the factory spec.
Yeah, it's
You know how. Nothing ever all stays the same. Want to let it change. It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Like it?
Yeah, what's up, Mike? Holy shit. Looks like money.
Yeah.
What's up, man?
Wicked.
Yeah, that's money.
That's Ken, the general manager.
Oh, no.
Seminole
Oh,
Powersports North. Call on video.
what you need to make sure is don't mark anything. Please don't mark anything. They look really nice.
No, we're gonna have Jeff sign it with the
Awesome.
scratching.
Yeah,
With the
etch
card.
it. Yeah, etch it.
Yeah, etch it. Yeah, there you go.
We appreciate you letting us film here today.
No problem.
Yes, greatly appreciated.
We don't need no sleep because the party don't stop. So put your hands on me and turn me on, turn me up. We don't need no sleep because the party don't stop. So put your hands on me and turn me on, turn me up.
Watch this, Brian.
I'm just gonna hold the bike. Does it stand down? Yeah.
This feels still connected.
Okay.
Just don't hit the pan.
You can let go.
Nicely done.
He's going, okay, now get the son of a bitch out of here.
Now the most important part, the test ride.
Here, I can do that for you. Just kidding.
Are you saving this front?
No, thanks.
No, I've told him I don't want anything to do with this bike. I don't want to step on it or anything like that. It just scares the shit out of me, all the power behind it.
amazing.
Nice.
I love it when he comes back and he says,
Alright.
"Wow,
I
that's
like that
fucking
too.
badass."
Question: would you build a website for a major brand with more than 200 million users using?
Hey guys, what is going on? In this video, we're talking about how to vlog, the complete basics and the beginner's guide to vlogging, and some important information that you guys should know about when you're starting on your vlogging journey.
Hey, it's Matt, coming at you from the Matt Cave. This is M Squared. Today we're going to look at chain maintenance. Lots of people do it differently. Hey, it's Matt, coming at you from the Matt Cave. This is M Squared. Today I got Angel Gonzalez, I like to call him Obi-Wan Clean Obi, coming over here to show us about some chain maintenance. Lots of people do chain maintenance different ways, but Angel's got a great technique to get it cleaned up real easily. And for little, oh my god, what the fuck? Hey, it's Matt. Hey, it's Matt. This is M Squared, coming at you from the Matt Cave. Brought to you by theallriders.com. Check us out. Hey, what's up? It's Matt. This is M Squared. Hey, what's up? It's Matt. Coming at you from the Matt Cave. This is M Squared. Brought to you by theallriders.com. We are an international motorcyclist community. Don't care what you ride, don't care how long you've been riding, come join us. Today, we're going to do some chain maintenance. Got my buddy Angel Gonzalez coming over. I like to call him Obi-Wan Clean Obi because this guy is insane about keeping his bike clean. He's going to show us how he strips all the crap off of his chain, gets it nice and clean, and gets it lubed up to get back on the road. So in just a few minutes he's going to show up and we're going to head out in the Matt Cave and take a look.